Do you know the taskbar helps you control everything on your computer quickly? Let's learn how to use it like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Windows Learning series. In today's video, we will understand the taskbar and their settings in Windows 11 step by step. This is a very important feature for daily computer use. So watch till the end to become more confident with Windows. The taskbar is the bar located at the bottom of your screen. It helps you open apps quickly, switch between programs, see system status. It is used every time you use your computer. You can see multiple open at taskbar option like Start button, Search, Notifications, Running app on taskbar. Start button. This is the main button. Click it to open the Start menu and access apps and settings. Which you right-click on taskbar, it will two option, one for Task Manager, another for Taskbar Setting. In Taskbar Setting, you can change taskbar setting from center to left taskbar and other setting why. Chui will you in this video. Click it to open the Start menu and access apps and settings, and can open any app. Also, this helps you find anything on your computer. You can search apps, files, and settings instantly. Notification icons. These icons show alerts and updates. Example: Message updates. You can click to check notifications. Also, can see date and time settings so that you can manage according your region. Here you can open pinned app on taskbar, also can switch one app to another. Here is a useful tip. Right-click on the taskbar gives click taskbar settings. From here you can change taskbar position, show or hide icons, customize layout. This makes your computer more comfortable to use. Also, can set your taskbar auto hide when your mouse to button side, it will appear automatically. Also, can task icons left side. For open Taskbar Manager, you can use shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC key. If you getting hang there is no icons on the screen and mouse is not working simple, you have to open taskbar setting. You can see they're all running services. Find out or which one having issue, like in this scenario's Chrome getting hang. We'll find out Chrome's arrive in taskbar running process and select and we'll end it. After click on it, it will clock, then reopen app, it will working good. If you boot on your computer and no icon on the screen and it's stuck, then can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC key and open Task Manager and close Process Window Explorer. Then it will show desktop icons on the screen. Also, you can see here all hardware resource which one what using. Also, you can use it for diagnose your PC. You can stop service which you don't need it. A slow can check your PC is safe by verify local user running doing of this PC if found unknown. Username delete it and scan your PC with right antivirus. So today we learned about the taskbar in Windows. In the next video, we will learn about File Explorer and File Management. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.